The growing consumer market requires more personalized and adaptable manufacturing, making mobile manipulators essential for meeting the increasing demand for flexibility. ROKAE CMR series mobile manipulators can perform a range of functions, including movement, identification, and grasping, and are suitable for tasks such as material handling, CNC loading and unloading, vision inspection, and equipment manipulation. These robots are capable of efficiently completing complex or multi-positional tasks in the manufacturing process, contributing to the development of an intelligent and flexible production process. ROKAE mobile manipulators empower various industries with 6 advantages: ease of use, high compatibility, compliant flexibility, precision intelligence, excellent reliability, cost effectiveness, it is extensively utilized in the electronics, semiconductor, machine tending, processing, healthcare, and various other sectors. ROKAE mobile manipulators will leverage their strong performance advantages to assist more businesses in achieving a higher level of factory intelligence.